Hello friends, welcome again to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how you can enable split screen feature on your CD200 device. Just follow the instructions shown in this video carefully to turn on and adjust the display settings correctly. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now without any delay, let's get started.